Hello, today we're going to show you how to remove and install a steel shell bush. As you can see, the leading edge of the bush is the only piece that holds it in place. Now simply chisel off the original washer, and when the washer is off, peel up the flange on either side with a chisel without damaging the control arm. The flange will lift very easily with the chisel. When you've done both sides, chisel on the inside of where the flange is to break the back of the bush, and then the front side, chisel it, and the bush will simply pull itself out without any issues at all. Now with the new SuperPro bush, you'll see that the raised section is actually longer. This will help keep it in place. The knurling inside will also retain the grease. Place the new bush into the control arm. Use the appropriate flat tool on top, and it will simply move into place with the press in one movement. Once it's flush, lubricate the inside of the bush and install your crush tube. Thank you for watching.